Please see the video till the end. Very important point we are going to discuss: addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, their denominators are not same. So in that case, what we have to do? We have studied addition and subtraction of like fractions. In case the fractions are like fractions, what we do? We keep the denominator as it is and we only add the numerators. So here the process is somewhat similar. Somewhat similar means we have to convert these fractions into like fractions first and then add. Means 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 5. These two fractions I have to add. But they are not like fractions. So I have to convert them into like fractions. Means their denominators I have to make it same. So here, if we see the multiples of 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10. Okay, 2 fives are 10. So 2 5 times is 10 and 5 2 times is 10, means 5 twos are 10. So I can get the denominator 10, means I will convert this fraction 1 upon 2 into its equivalent fraction, whose denominator is 10. So how I will do it? So 1 upon 2, I will multiply the denominator by 5. Means 2 5 times is 10. When I am multiplying the denominator by 5, I have to multiply the numerator also by 5. So what new fraction I will get? 5 ones are 5. 5 upon 10. Now I will convert this fraction also into its equivalent fraction whose denominator is 10. So 2 upon 5. So 5 should be multiplied by 2 so that I will get the denominator 10 here. And when I am multiplying the denominator by 2, this numerator also I have to multiply by 2, because whenever we are converting a fraction into its equivalent fraction, the numerator and the denominator should be multiplied by the same number. So 2 twos are 4. So the new fraction I got is 4 upon 10. So here I can write now, instead of 1 upon 2, I got it the equivalent of 1 upon 2 as 5 upon 10. And I got the equivalent of 2 upon 5 as 4 upon 10. So 5 upon 10 plus 4 upon 10. Now the fractions are like fractions. I have converted them into their equivalent forms whose denominators are same. So keep the denominator as it is. What the rule of addition of the like fractions tells you, that the denominator, the common denominator, write it as it is and only add the numerators. 5 plus 4. 9 upon 10. 5 plus 4 is 9. So 9 upon 10 is the value of the addition of these two fractions. What we did, we first converted them into their equivalent forms so that their denominators will be same. Means like fractions, they will become like fractions. And addition of like fractions, it is very easy. Keep the denominator, common denominator as it is and only add the numerator. So 9 upon 10 is the value of 1 upon 2 plus 2 upon 5. Okay, now we will concentrate here. 3 upon 8 plus 1, that 2 times 8 is 16. 2 times 8 is 16. So instead of converting means instead of 16 we will keep as it is, only the denominator of this fraction we will make it as 16. So both the denominators will be 16 here. So 3 upon 8 I will convert it into its equivalent form, means equivalent fraction whose denominator is 16. So how I will do that? 3 upon 8. So 8 multiplied by 2 is 16. So when I am multiplying denominator by 2, numerator also will be multiplied by 2. So 8 2s are 16 and 3 2s are 6. So this value 3 upon 8 and this value is same. 3 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon 16. 3 upon 8 is equal to 6 upon 16. So I got the denominator as 16. So I will write here now. Both the denominators are 16 now. So instead of 3 upon 8, I will write 6 upon 16 plus 1 upon 16. This is already 16. So rules of addition of like fractions, what they tell? Write the common denominator as it is and only add the numerator. 6 plus 1 is 7. So 3 upon 8 plus 1 upon 16, the value is 7 upon 16. So I hope addition of unlike fractions how to do. Same is the case with subtraction. Let us take some examples of subtract. Okay, let us see the subtraction of unlike fractions. 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8. Both the fractions are unlike fractions. No similarity between their denominators. Same is the case with those two fractions also. So first here what we have to do? We have to make their denominators common, means we have to convert them into their equivalent form. These fractions we have to convert them into their equivalent values so that their denominators will be same. So what we will do? We will make the denominator of this fraction as 8 by multiplying this denominator by 2. So we will get the denominator 8 here. And 8 we will keep as it is. Okay. So only we will change the denominator of this fraction because 4 and 8, the common multiple is 8. So 3 upon 4. So 4 I will multiply by 2. So 3 also I have to multiply by 2. So I will get a new equivalent fraction. 3 2s are 6 and 4 2s are 8. So 6 upon 8, I got the value of this fraction as 6 upon 8. So 6 upon 8 means now these two fractions are like fractions. So now it goes easy for me to subtract one fraction from the other. So 6 upon 8 minus 5 upon 8. So 3 upon 4 means what? 6 upon 8. Because the value of 3 upon 4 and 6 upon 8 is same because they are equivalent fractions. So what the rule of subtraction of like fractions tell? Same. Write the fraction, write the denominator which is common to both the fraction as it is and only subtract one numerator from the other, means find the difference of the numerator. So 6 minus 5 is 1 upon 8. So 3 upon 4 minus 5 upon 8 is equal to 1 upon 8. Okay. Now we will see how to subtract this fraction. Both the fractions are unlike fractions. no similarity is there between their denominators. So here it is, the denominator is 5, here it is 3. So we have to find out the multiples of each of the denominators. So first let us find out the multiples of this denominator 5. 5 1 times is 5, 5 2 times is 10, 5 3 times is 15, 5 4 times is 20, means 5 4s are 25, 5s are 25. Okay, I'll stop it here for the time being. 3. Now we will write the multiples of 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2 times that is 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, and so on. Let us find if there is any common multiple. Common means it should be the multiple of 5 also, and it should be the multiple of 3 also. So is 3 here is seen in the multiples of 5? No. 6? No. 9? No. 12? No. 15? Yes. 15 is a multiple of 3 also, and 15 is a multiple of 5 also. So we will convert both the fractions so that their denominators will be 15. So to convert this fraction's denominator into 15, we have to multiply this 5 by 3. And to convert this fraction's denominator into 15, we have to multiply this 3 by 5. So it will go like this. 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 should be multiplied here by 3. So when I am multiplying denominator by 3, numerator also should be multiplied by 3. 4 3s are 12 and 5 3s are 15. So for this 4 upon 5, I got its equivalent, which is 12 upon 15. Now let me get the equivalent of this fraction. 2 upon 3. So 2 upon 3. So 3, to get 15 I have to multiply it by 5. And when I am multiplying denominator by 5, I have to multiply numerator also by 5. So 5 2s are 10 upon 15 means 3 5s are 15. So 2 upon 3's equivalent is 10 upon 15. So what I have to do? I have to add these two fractions now. Sorry, I have to subtract this fraction from this fraction. It is subtraction we are discussing about. Okay, sorry. So I have to subtract this fraction from this fraction. So I'll do like this. So instead of 4 upon 5, I will write its equivalent. 12 upon 15. And instead of 2 upon 3, minus 2 upon 3, I will write minus 10 upon 15. Now, both the fractions are like fractions. So the rule, what the rule tells? Subtraction of like fractions. Write the denominator, common denominator as it is, and only find the difference between the numerators, that is subtract one numerator from the other. So 12 minus 10 is 2. So 2 upon 15 is the value of 4 upon 5 minus 2 upon 3. The answer is 2 upon 15. So I hope the addition and subtraction of like fractions is clear to you.
Dear viewers, if you feel that this teaching video is useful to you, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also please do share it with your friends and relatives who have students in their families. Please feel free to give suggestions and feedback. Do leave a comment for the same. Myself, Mr. Dinesh Kadu for Maths Enjoyment YouTube channel. Have a good time.